And when I tell you, Ritz-Carlton, baby. Lamborghini lobby, baby. Okay? This is nothing but money.
This is the closest thing I've ever experienced to that hotel lobby in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Just a luxurious smell. I've tried the Chanel. I've tried the Ritz-Carlton. Those are probably my two favorites.
My car literally smells like a hotel right now. Got this car diffuser from 821 Auto Spot, and when I tell you this is fire, bro, I had diffusers before. I had to keep them plugged in. They took up cup holder space.
As you all know, you can see I'm an old head, so I'm serious about my car smells. Listen, this right here, this car auto diffuser right here, man, this air freshener for your car, I tried it. I got it from 821 Auto Spa. My man Matt, good guy. Listen, his business really blessed me with this. I love it.
Man, este producto huele riquísimo. De 821 Auto Spa. Mira, ni lo tengo que conectar ni nada. Y todavía, wow, qué olor buenísimo. Compren uno.
Need I say more? Need I say more? 821 family, welcome back, man. Dude, I need to say anything else. You heard it yourself live, man. You know, these are not paid actors. Those are real, satisfied customers of our new car aroma diffusers, man. Luxury scents. You heard what they had to say about the product. I'm gonna go in a little bit of depth, but I really should just end the video right now. You really should just go ahead and click the link in the description on 821autospot.com or on Amazon. You know, Amazon been doing real good on the sales. I know it's a better platform to buy on because our card information is there. We shop on there every day. So thank you, Amazon, for allowing me to put this product on your platform. It's a beautiful it's a beautiful product, a wonderful product, the future of car air freshener as we know it, man. Listen, man, let me get in a little bit more depth of what y'all looking at right here, man. So this is 821's car aroma diffusers. Wireless, waterless, luxury scents. This is not strawberry, this is not vanilla, this is not cherry, this is Ritz-Carlton, this is Chanel, this is Jules Closet, this is Secret Wish. You know what I'm saying? These are all top of the line luxury smells, man, which you will love, man. It's not overpowering. Like, it's really kind of hard to describe, to be honest, other than a smell of a nice luxury hotel. You know what I'm saying? Reminds you of vacation. The Chanel kind of reminds you of a top of the line Chanel perfume. So that would be the only one. I feel like it's not unisex. Ritz-Carlton is unisex. Jules Closet is unisex. Secret Wish is unisex. Chanel, I have some guys that use it. As you've seen one of the guys in there, my guy Waldy, you know, he likes the Chanel, you know what I'm saying? So it's not feminine, but it leans toward that direction a little bit. So, you know, just a heads up on that one, but still a beautiful smell. I love it. I'm gonna dive a little bit deeper and I'm gonna do an unboxing of one of these in a minute, but a quick description, man. Listen, we are really in a present time of future air fresheners, man. You see what I'm saying? This is literally lasting months at a time on the fragrance oil that you're actually putting in there and battery life. So once you actually buy it, put it together, you put it in your vehicle, you set the timer, you know what I'm saying, on it, you're done. You don't have to touch that thing for at least 60 to 90 days. You know, the first time you touch it might be to recharge it after 2 to 3 months. And by that same time, you'll probably notice that your fragrance is getting low. So it's time to order again, but you still won't be out. You still will have a couple weeks, maybe another month before it runs completely out. So it's an amazing product. It's an amazing product for the consumer. As the owner and the seller, myself, it is a slow selling, not product, but a slow selling refill. You know what I'm saying? So once you buy it, I'm not gonna hear from you from like 3 months, 4 months before you need to order another refill. You know what I mean? So, but as a consumer, it's great. You know, who want to keep, you know, buying those little cheap, those I'm not gonna call them cheap, but buying those trees or whatever, or those sprays that last, you know, a couple days, a couple weeks. The little ones will stick on your vent a couple weeks, stuff like that. When this is something that's almost like a forever smell, it's like a nice oil base, so where it really locks and traps into your vehicle, like into your seats, into your headliner, into the carpet. So it's gonna be just a beautiful, beautiful experience. Like I said, it's motion sensor, so as soon as you hop in your car every day and you close that door behind you, boom, see that? It's gonna let off that first spray. You know what I mean? And then the whole way you're driving, it's gonna feel the vibration on the road. It's gonna keep going. When you get to your destination, you stop. It doesn't feel any motion anymore. It automatically cut off. You get home for the day. You don't have to keep messing with it, cutting it on, cutting it off. None of that. If you notice it's not spraying, it's probably dead or you out of fragrance. You know what I mean? So a great product, man. I'm talking about the future. The future. It's small, it's compact. You can put it anywhere you like. Let me see, is it this one or one of them? This one actually got the non-slip grip on it. This was one I had actually in my vehicle, and the rest of them don't. These are just my samples. You put it wherever, it won't slide. It's not a permanent stick, it's just a non-slip. So you put it on your dash, you're driving, it's not gonna slide around. You know, your armrest, wherever you choose to put that in your vehicle, it's good. Like I said, it's nice and compact, so it's not gonna take up a whole lot of room. I love it, man. It's perfect. It's what you need to be ordering, man. I'm not gonna drag this video out. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing really fast to show you how it is when you purchase it, show you how to put it together. So when you purchase it, you're not confused, even though it comes with instructions. So let's get to that right now. All right, so boom, here we go. I had to bring the camera in a little bit. I'm gonna slide this out the way just so I can get it right here. I feel like that'd be a better angle for you. So boom, it's come in a pretty box. As soon as you open it, boom, nice wax paper, branded car aroma diffuser. Thank you card, 821 Auto Spa, keep connected, all of our connections. This is important. This is definitely how to get back to our website. This is how to get your refills and things of that nature. So you might wanna make sure you stay tapped in with us. You don't wanna run out and then can't get another refill. Then it comes with the instruction manual. It'll teach you everything about the settings, all of that good stuff. Boom, which I'm actually go through a little bit. The actual diffuser itself is simple, it's one button. You know, it's very simple, it's lightweight. Here goes that non-slip grip thing I was showing you about. Comes with the charger, the USB. And then of course, comes with the actual fragrance. This is the Ritz-Carlton. And here, so I'm gonna open that up. Pretty simple. So what you do, you get it, you twist the bottom open. As you can hear, it's not cheap, man. It's definitely heavy metal. It's titanium. You undo this top. Make sure that that cotton swab is in there. See the bottom of this? It screws right in. See the threads on there? Screw it in so it's just nice and tight. There we go. Not too tight. Try not to turn it upside down because it will spill out. That was bad what I just did. Don't do that. Screw this back on. Simply hold this button. You'll see all the lights come on. And then, boom. All right. So now, let me go through these instructions with you real quick. Get you these settings, because I kind of mix them up sometimes. I need to look myself. Boom, you see all 5 lights? That's once every 5 seconds. So if you double tap it, you see it went down to 1 light. That's once every 10 minutes. 2 lights, once every 5 minutes. 3 lights, which I keep mine on, is once every 60 seconds. That's once every 15 seconds. Like I said, now all the way back up is once every 5 seconds. I'm gonna tell you how I do mine. You could do whatever you want. When I first put it in my vehicle, especially if I'm switching scents or something like that, I will keep it on every 5 seconds, just full blast for maybe like the first 5 minutes of my car ride, just to get that scent going through the vehicle. And then I cut it down to once every 60 seconds, basically once a minute. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that goes on depending on how much you drive. If you don't drive your vehicle a lot, you could do every 15 seconds. But like I said, this is your product. This is your machine. You know, you can do it with it as you please. That's just how I do mine. And that's it, man. It's very simple. All right, like I was saying, man, make sure you order. Make sure you go to Amazon, which I know is probably the easiest. I'm gonna drop the link in the description right here, down below, whatever. Also, you can go to 821autospa.com, order as well. Whatever you choose, whatever preference you choose, it's the same price. Shipping is the same. And join the family, man. Change your car experience, turn it to a nice tropical oasis, man. It doesn't matter if your car is clean or dirty. It's gonna smell like heaven, man. You already know, man. If you haven't yet, like, share, subscribe, join the 821 family, and you already know, man, we're going up, man. Like I said, man, I'm not gonna never bring you anything that's not beneficial to help you in any kind of way, whether it's detailing, whether it's making money detailing, or just the pleasure to change the scent and aroma and vibe of your vehicle, man. So I'm $1 Million Mac. If you ain't know, now you know. Till next time. Woo! 100 ways to make 100,000. Hit 100 plays, let it all pile. I know 100 ways to make 100,000. Look at me style. I hit 100 plays, let it all pile. Look at me smile.